Okay, now all 4 tires are done. As you can see, the foam in there, it looks really uniform on the bead here, and it's very uniform in here. It just keep doing that. Pull it out and pull it open, and pull open the tire. Pull out the foam with your middle finger or forefinger while you're holding it, and then just let it go. Just pull it out and let it go. Pull it out and let it go, and it'll fill in there nicely. Now we got to get the wheel on. The wheel. Okay, 2 of your tires have to have the wheels going one way with the tread on the outside, and then the other you want to have them the opposite way. So that way, when you have them on the car, all the tread's going the right direction. You want the tread to be cutting in at an angle like this, moving forward, so that mud and stuff go off, they shed off easily. If you have it this way going forward, mud packs in there and doesn't shed off as the tire's turning. Now, if you're not going to be going on mud or sand, it's not that big of a deal. Rocks, if you put it like this, when you get on a rock and the edge bites on the rock, instead of it sliding off, it actually pulls the rock bite into the middle more. And instead of you sliding off, you'll slide into it. So that's why I put my front tires like this for rock crawling, but like this for mud and sand. But only on the front. On the back, on the front it'll be like this for biting into the rocks. On the back it'll be the opposite, so if I have to reverse, I get the same bite. That's what I do. So here's how I put the first one on. I make sure that the wheel, the outer wheel, is on the right side of the tread like this. Then we just kind of squeeze it in there. Just kind of grab the tire and foam and pull the whole thing in there. Make sure you get the whole thing inside out. Now that you've got it all in there and everything feels good, you need to get this outer bead outside so that you can fit it into this slot right here. And then you do the same thing with this one. You pull this out without pulling the foam with it, just the tire itself. They're done. Now they seat it into the bead. This one hasn't yet. There we go. We've seated it into the bead. If it won't seat into the bead, it might be because there's some foam in the way. But anyway, there. Seated into the bead. Seats in there really good. Looks good. And I've got the outer part is on the right side of this for 2 tires, on the left side for 2 tires. Then you can swap them the left and right on the front to change how you want your tread to be for mud or sand. Alright, do all 4 like that. Do 2 right, 2 left. We'll be back when we're done.